aquí alumbra abajo, el botoncito rojo, ¿sí lo ven?
Sí.
Bajo de temperatura acá. ¿Lo puede pausar? Y lo apaga. Lo pausa todo.
¿Ya?
Pausala. Pausa. Pero veré porque ya, ahora sí. Graba tantico ahí. Ya.
All right, it's arrived. I've been making the first pot of water. I filled it up. Already made 1 cup of tea there. And the meter is still reading the temperature of the water that it got up to. It was down at around 50 when I started. Turn it back on, turn it off. The handle is sort of a faux wood. I think plastic maybe. Maybe it's wood, I don't know. It didn't let off any steam, which is what I was worried about. Maybe if I'd left it longer. I turned it off prematurely when I heard it boiling. So I've got 1 cup. I make 2 possibly from 1 full container. That's kind of an oversized cup though. This is about the normal size of your average coffee cup. So about 2 of those for 1 full Nueve&Five.
Dripping here on the points here. You can see where it's
This is a beautiful gooseneck tea kettle. Look how hot it gets, and it is quick. I love that it has a beautiful wooden handle and finishings. Excellent for a cup of tea. Definitely recommend this.
This came off, and
was in the bottom of the, it's also very corroded. This does not seem right for, bought it in September last year, it's April. Poor quality.
Oh, it doesn't automatically get stuck. Gotta be careful.
It just goes and goes. It's been boiling. It's well at temperature. And if you don't turn it off manually, it doesn't turn off.